So, good morning guys. So this is the ratatouille or lecho in Hungarian. So we make cream on it. So we blend it and together with the made behind the polenta. So that's the flavor of the polenta and with the smoked guya or with the smoked gomoya cheese. That's it for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.